See this problem. Rohit, Kunal and Sarthak are partners in a firm. They decided to dissolve their firm. Pass necessary journal entries for the following after various assets other than cash and bank, and the third party liabilities have been transferred to realization account. First, Kunal agreed to pay off his wife's loan of rupees 6,000. Second, total creditors of the firm were rupees 40,000. Creditors worth rupees 10,000 were given a piece of furniture costing rupees 8,000 in full and final settlement, and remaining creditors allowed a discount of 10%. Okay. Next transaction. Rohit had given a loan of rupees 70,000 to the firm which was duly paid. Next, a machine which was not recorded in the books was taken over by Kunal at rupees 3,000, whereas its expected value was rupees 5,000. Next, the firm had a debit balance of rupees 15,000 in profit and loss account on the date of dissolution. And the last, Sarthak paid the realization expenses of rupees 16,000 out of his private funds, who was get a remuneration of rupees 15,000 for completing dissolution process and was responsible to bear all the realization expenses. Okay, so we'll solve this now. See, in this problem we have to pass the journal entries from the transactions given related to dissolution of partnership. Rohit, Kunal and Sarthak are partners in the firm. They decided to dissolve the firm. Pass necessary journal entries for the following after various assets other than cash bank and the third party liabilities have been transferred to realization account. We have solved the problem of dissolution and we have already prepared ledger. We know that from the given balance sheet we have to transfer all the assets to realization account, and with cash bank balance to cash bank account, and we have to transfer third party liabilities to realization account also. Okay, so they told us that in this problem they have already transferred assets and liabilities to realization account. It is done already. You have only to pass the journal entries regarding the given below transactions. Okay, so we have to pass first entry now. Kunal agreed to pay off his wife's loan of rupees 6,000. So Kunal is the partner and he agreed to pay off his wife's loan of rupees 6,000. Kunal's wife's loan is external liability or third party liability, and Kunal is agreeing to pay off his wife's loan. It means the partner taken over the third party liability. So the entry will be realization account debit to Kunal's capital account being the liability of wife's loan taken over. Amount is 6,000. ओके, लक्षात ठेवा आपण प्रॉब्लेम सोडवत असताना प्रॉब्लेममधल्या बॅलन्स शीटमधल्या थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटीज सगळ्या क्रेडिट साईडला ट्रान्सफर केलेल्या असतात, रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला. लायबिलिटीशी रिलेटेड कोणतीही एंट्री आफ्टरवर्ड्स रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला येते. हे नक्की लक्षात ठेवा. त्यामुळे आपण रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला एंट्री करणार टू पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट जेव्हा तो लायबिलिटी टेकन ओव्हर करतो त्यावेळेला. तसंच इथे कुणाल या पार्टनरनी त्याच्या वाईफचं लोन टेकन ओव्हर केलं आहे, म्हणजे लायबिलिटी टेकन ओव्हर केली आहे. सो जर आपण लेजर अकाउंट्स प्रिपेअर केले तर एंट्री रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला टू कुणाल्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट अशी येईल. आणि द जर्नल एंट्री इज रिअलायझेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कुणाल्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. ओके. आपण सगळ्या ॲसेट्स रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिटला ट्रान्सफर करतो. ॲसेट्सशी रिलेटेड कोणतीही एंट्री असेल तर ती नेहमी नंतरची एंट्री रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिटला येईल. म्हणजे ॲसेट्स रिअलाइज्ड, ॲसेट टेकन ओव्हर एट्सेट्रा. आणि लायबिलिटीज आपण क्रेडिटला ट्रान्सफर करतो. लायबिलिटीशी रिलेटेड सगळ्या एंट्रीज ह्या नेहमी रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिटला येतील. ओके. नाव सेकंड जर्नल एंट्री. सी द ट्रान्झॅक्शन. टोटल क्रेडिटर्स ऑफ द फर्म were rupees 40,000. Creditors worth rupees 10,000 were given a piece of furniture costing rupees 8,000 in full and final settlement. Remaining creditors allowed a discount of 10%. It means total creditors were given in their balance sheet were rupees 40,000. That already transferred to realization account credit side. Now from that creditors worth rupees 10,000 were given a piece of furniture costing rupees 8,000. So 10,000 creditors will be cancelled against furniture of rupees 8,000. There will not be any entry for this. And then remaining creditors, 40,000 minus 10,000 creditors has been cancelled. So remaining creditors were rupees 30,000. These creditors allowed a discount of 10%. They gave us 10% discount. 30,000 is the amount of creditor. 10% of 30,000 is 3,000. After deducting discount, we have paid rupees 27,000 to the creditors. So we have to pass the journal entry of 27,000 payment made to creditors. Okay. The creditors which are cancelled against the piece of furniture, there will not be any entry for that transaction. Okay. So we will pay the 27,000 to creditors. The entry will be realization account debit to cash / bank account, or to cash account or to bank account, you can say. Amount will be 27,000. Okay. Narration being creditors paid through furniture and cash. Okay, this will be the entry. So this is the second entry. Now third transaction. Rohit had given a loan of rupees 70,000 to the firm, which was duly paid. See, in the problem, Rohit is a partner. He has given loan of rupees 70,000 to the firm. While solving ledger accounts, we have to prepare partner's loan account, that is in this problem Rohit's loan account separately, and the loan account balance will be 70,000. And now it has to be paid. So the entry of payment of Rohit's loan will be Rohit's loan account debit to cash account. Okay. So pass the entry Rohit's loan account debit 70,000 to cash bank account 70,000. Narration will be being the loan repaid or Rohit's loan repaid. Okay, this will be the narration for third transaction. Now the fourth transaction. See the transaction. A machine which was not recorded in the books was taken over by Kunal at rupees 3000, whereas its expected value was rupees 5000. Here, one unrecorded machine was taken over by the partner. As it is asset taken over by the partner, entry will be in credit side of realization account by partner's capital account, and the amount will be the taken over value, that is rupees 3000. Okay, so pass the entry. Kunal's capital account debit 3000 to realization account 3000. There is no value of rupees 5000 as the machine is unrecorded. So unrecorded machine taken over. Unrecorded machine taken over. Okay. Now the next entry, fifth. The firm had a debit balance of rupees 15,000 in the profit and loss account on the date of dissolution. So this debit balance should be distributed. They told us that profit and loss account debit balance is shown in the balance sheet on the date of dissolution. This debit balance of profit and loss account, that is rupees 50,000, is to be distributed between the partners and transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. So the entry will be partners capital account debit to profit and loss account. So Rohit's capital account debit, second partner is Kunal's capital account debit, third partner is Sarthak's capital account debit to profit and loss account. This will be the entry. Total profit and loss account amount is 15,000. As in the problem the ratio is not given, the ratio will be considered as equal. So 5,000, 5,000 and 5,000. Okay, this will be the entry. So narration, debit balance of profit and loss account distributed and transfer, or you can say only transferred, to partners capital account. This will be the distributed between, you can say, okay. This is the fifth transaction. Now next transaction, sixth transaction, and this will be the last transaction. Sarthak paid the realization expenses of rupees 16,000 out of his private funds. This is the entry related to realization expenses. We have already studied the realization expenses entries. Sarthak paid the realization expenses of rupees 16,000 out of his private funds, who was to get remuneration of rupees 15,000 for completing resolution process and was responsible to bear all the realization expenses. He was allowed rupees 15,000 remuneration for dissolution process. So we have to pass the entry of 15,000 only. No entry will be passed for actual expenses which they were paid by Sarthak, who was responsible to bear the expenses. Okay. So let's pass the last entry. Realization account debit 15,000 to Sarthak's capital account 15,000. Narration, amount of amount of remuneration paid to Sarthak or payable to Sarthak. Amount of remuneration, this remuneration is fixed, remuneration payable to Sarthak. This will be the narration. So this is the last entry of this problem. In this topic, in board exam they can ask only journal entries, so you have to be perfect in passing the journal entries. Okay, that's all.